Welcome to this learning module on description, one of the most important competencies in AI fluency. As AI becomes a regular part of our work, one skill stands out above all others: the ability to communicate effectively with AI. AI fluency is about working with AI in a way that is effective, efficient, ethical, and safe. And at the heart of that collaboration lies description. Description is not just about writing prompts. It is about clearly communicating your goals, expectations, context, and instructions so that AI can deliver meaningful and relevant results. Think of description as the bridge between what you need and what AI can provide. Let's explore how this works. Understanding description in AI collaboration. Many people believe that getting good results from AI is all about finding the perfect prompt. In reality, successful AI users do much more than that. They communicate with AI continuously. They provide context. They clarify objectives. They refine requests. And when the conversation starts moving in the wrong direction, they know how to guide it back on track. Just as effective communication is essential when working with colleagues, it is equally important when working with AI. The more clearly you describe your needs, the better the outcome. To master this competency, you need to understand three key elements: product description, process description, performance description. Let's look at each of them. Part 1. Product description. The first step is clearly explaining what you want the AI to create. This is called product description. Imagine you ask a colleague, "Please prepare a report." That request is very broad. Your colleague may not know what the report is about, who will read it, how detailed it should be, what format you expect. The same applies to AI. AI cannot read your mind. It can only work with the information you provide. For example, instead of saying, "Create a presentation on sales performance," a better request would be, "Create a 10-slide presentation on the Q2 sales performance of our retail business." The audience is senior management. Use a professional tone, highlight key growth trends, challenges, and recommendations, and provide speaker notes for each slide. Notice the difference. The second request provides clear objectives, relevant context, target audience, output format, expected style. The more specific your description, the more useful the response becomes. Before working with AI, ask yourself, what exactly do I need? What outcome am I expecting? Who is the audience? What format should the output follow? What information must be included? This ability to clearly define the desired output is called product description. Part 2. Process description. Knowing what you want is important, but sometimes it is equally important to explain how you want AI to approach the task. This is called process description. Think about training a new team member. You don't just explain the outcome. You also explain the steps, methods, and best practices you want them to follow. The same principle applies to AI. For example, if you're conducting a market analysis, you might tell the AI, "First identify industry trends. Then analyze competitors. Next evaluate customer needs. Finally provide recommendations." You can guide AI through step-by-step instructions, standard operating procedures, business frameworks, checklists, examples of desired outputs. You might even provide a sample and say, "Use this format as a reference." This additional guidance helps AI align its thinking with your expectations. When defining the process, consider questions such as, are there specific data sources to use? Should tasks be completed in a particular order? Is a certain framework required? Should the response follow company standards? Are there examples the AI can learn from? The more guidance you provide, the better the AI can support your goals. This ability to direct how AI approaches a task is known as process description. Part 3. Performance description. The third element focuses on how the AI should behave during the interaction. This is called performance description. Many users overlook this step, but it can significantly improve the quality of AI outputs. Think of AI as a flexible thinking partner. Depending on your needs, you can ask it to take on different roles and behaviors. For example, you can ask AI to act as a business consultant, think like a project manager, challenge your assumptions, brainstorm creative ideas, provide concise answers, deliver detailed explanations, explain reasoning step by step. Focus only on practical recommendations. Imagine you're preparing a business proposal. At one stage, you may want AI to generate multiple creative ideas. Later, you may want it to critically evaluate those ideas and identify risks. The goal hasn't changed, but the behavior you need from AI has. By clearly defining how AI should interact with you, you create a more productive partnership. Ask yourself, do I want detailed analysis or quick answers? Should AI challenge my thinking or support it? Do I want multiple options or a single recommendation? Should the tone be formal, conversational, or persuasive? Do I need explanations or just conclusions? These instructions help shape the AI's behavior and improve the usefulness of its responses. This capability is called performance description. Bringing it all together. Let's see how all three concepts work together. Imagine you're creating a customer satisfaction improvement plan. Product description. You tell AI, create a customer satisfaction improvement strategy for a retail business. Process description. You add, analyze customer feedback, identify recurring issues, prioritize improvement opportunities, and recommend actions. Performance description. Finally, you specify, act as an experienced customer experience consultant, provide practical recommendations, explain the reasoning behind them, and keep the language suitable for senior leadership. Now the AI has a complete understanding of what you need, how to approach the task, how to behave while delivering the response. The result is significantly more aligned with your expectations. Conclusion. Let's recap the three pillars of the description competency. Product description. Clearly explain what you want AI to create. Process description. Guide the AI on how to approach the task. Performance description. Define how the AI should behave during the interaction. Together, these skills transform AI from a generic tool into a highly effective thinking partner. Remember, great AI results rarely come from better technology alone. They come from better communication. The clearer your descriptions, the more valuable your collaboration with AI becomes. Thank you for participating in this module, and we'll see you in the next lesson.